Good morning, all of you. So, as we come to know that we have two kinds of compounds. What is the first kind of compounds we have been studied? Ionic compounds, correct? Please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
ionic
sir.
compounds. So, and later we have been studied. Second one, another one is called as what? Covalent compound.
Covalent compound.
So, covalent
Covalent compound.
compounds. So, under covalent compounds, let it be. Ionic compounds will form by what? By ions, correct? So, ions means in the sense of by loss electrons or by gain electrons.
In
So
electrons.
this is called as ionic compounds, correct? Now coming to the covalent compounds, if it comes to here, it is happening only by what? By sharing of, correct? By sharing of electrons. So by sharing of electrons, it will form three different kind of covalent compounds. What is that? Three different kind of bonds. What is the bonds? A single bond,
Single bond, double bond, triple bond.
and a triple bond, correct? So in last class we have been studied formation of single bond as well as formation of double bond and as well as formation of triple bond with a different kind of examples, correct? So single bond means one pair of electrons it will share. How many electrons? One pair of electrons. So one pair of electrons means so how many electrons, Almaty? Akil Irfan? Two electrons. Same way here, two pairs of electrons they will share. So two pairs of electrons means how many electrons, guys?
4 electrons.
2 into 2, which is equals to 4 electrons. Will, is it yes or no? Same way, triple bond in the sense of three pairs of electrons they will share. So three pairs in the sense of what? 3 into 2.
6 electrons.
6 electrons. 6 electrons will share. Is it yes or no? Please respond me. That is what. Understand. So this is what we have been studied in the till last class. So now try to understand very carefully, guys. So today we are going to study little bit one more thing regarding this covalent compounds only. So let us discuss what is this covalent compound, and we will study the few examples of covalent compounds. Okay, Karthikeyan, Arun Karthikeyan, etc. So now all of you keep heading. So in last class, the last concept we have been studied, I think, formation of ethane. Is this, guys? Formation of ethane. This is the example of triple bond. Is it correct, guys? So if you'll observe ethane, so what is happening? What is the formula of ethane? C2H2. Is it as C2H2? So what is the chemical formula? So carbon triple bond will form, and along with that they have one hydrogen each. This is what the chemical formula of ethane and the chemical structure also. Is it yes, guys? Please respond me. This is the
Yes, sir.
yes. Till here I have been taught you. So these things we will study in the chapter number 4. That is what we should call as carbon and its compounds. So I think I have taught you ethane, ethene, and ethane. Is it as C2H6, C2H4, and C2H4? Is it yes, guys? This is ethane. Next one is ethene, and next one is ethane. So each time one or two hydrogens is decreasing. That is you should remember. So now let us comes to here. Finally, we'll discuss what is this covalent compounds. We have been seeing covalent bonds. And we'll see now what is this covalent compounds, and we will discuss some of the examples of these covalent compounds, and later we'll go with the properties of ionic and covalent compounds. That is what all about the syllabus. So now let us comes to here covalent compounds. So what do you mean by covalent compounds, boys? The compounds containing which kind of bonds? The compounds containing which kind of bonds? Kevin, Arvind Garbati, Harini, call to your friends Jesse. Yeah, please tell me, covalent compounds contains what kind of bonds? The compounds containing which bonds? The compounds containing which bonds I am asking?
So
Right.
shared, the two electrons shared.
Yeah, shared pair of electrons, we know that what kind of bond we should call that. Then what is the use of studying? Single bond, double bond, triple bond, what we should call them? What is the common name of the three bonds? After studying everything, then like you can say nothing. Whatever it is, you all people by hearting only, correct? You can write. What is the use of teaching? That bonds are called as what bonds? Yeah, covalent compounds.
Covalent bond.
Now you are saying ionic compounds contains ionic bonds. Covalent compounds contains covalent bonds. Then what you people are remembering? The compounds containing covalent bonds are called as what? Are known as covalent compounds. That's all. Nothing is there. So these covalent compounds are formed by what? The covalent bonds will formed by sharing of electrons or donating or receiving of electrons. Covalent bonds.
Sharing of
The
electrons.
covalent bonds are formed by sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons. So please all of you kindly remember that sharing of electrons. So sharing of electrons between what? Ions or atoms? Ions or atoms? That is what my question. Between ions or
Atoms.
atoms? Akhil Arfan, Varshini Bensi. Sharing of electrons
Atoms.
between atoms. That is you should remember. Why? Between atoms. So that is why I said you. So covalent compounds also we can call it as what? Molecular compounds. This is nobody knows. Class 9 people will study. Molecular compounds. What we should call? Molecular compounds means atoms will share the electrons and they will form molecules of a compound. That is why they are called as what? Also we can call it as molecular compounds. Understand? Class 9th chemistry, 3rd chapter you people will study. So that is you should understand. This is called as what we should call covalent compounds. So these covalent compounds are made up of what? Here itself in the name itself it is there. These are made up of what? Ions or molecules?
Molecules.
Molecules. That is why I said. That is why this also we can call it as what? And what is another name of covalent compounds? Sir, textbook not given, sir. Textbook given only
Molecular
compounds, sir.
Molecular
That is not-
compound.
Okay. Because 9th class itself will study that. That is you should know. So covalent compounds, for example, class 9th you may be remember. We are calculating molecular mass. Do you remember, guys? Molecular mass.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
that is for these compounds only. If we'll go ionic compounds, we'll calculate formulae unit mass. You may be correct if you have studied at least something you may be remember. Formulae unit mass for ionic compounds will calculate. That is you should understand. So covalent compounds also we can call it as molecular compounds because they are made up of what? They are made up of what? Molecules. Molecules. That is you should understand. So if you see here, some of the common covalent compounds and the elements, if you see which they are made up of, I will say the element name. You should say the formula and as well as element present. So now, for example, common things you have to identify: name, formula, and things which are present. I won't say the formula also. I don't want to say. Now elements present you should say. Elements present. So this is very, very important. They will ask you like this only. Identify the elements present. So what you people will say? For example, the best one, methane. This is the methane. This is the smallest hydrocarbon. Chapter number 4 will study. What is this called as? Smallest hydrocarbon. Okay, Ra? Anyhow, you just remember hydrocarbon. This is smallest hydrocarbon. So what is the formula? Tell me, anybody. Methane formula. All your friends are fastly. Tell them to join.
CH4, sir.
CH4. CH4 is the formula. Now you tell me what is the elements present here? Elemokil.
Carbon, sir. Hydrogen.
Carbon, nitrogen.
Carbon and hydrogen. That is you should understand. Okay. Next, same way you can take ethane. Ethane. What is the formula? C2H6.
C2H6.
So here
Six.
also, so
Carbon
hydrogen
and hydrogen.
H. Correct?
Carbon, hydrogen, sir.
Ethene. What is the ethene formula? C2H4. E and H. That is. Next, ethine. Ethine, what is the formula? Another name of ethine. I already said another name of.
C2H2.
I want another name of ethine. Anybody? Ethine, another. Last class I have taught. Ethine. Acetylene. What is this?
Acetylene is right.
Acetylene.
H2. So it is also contains C and H only. Now, water you know, ammonia you know, alcohol. Alcohol, can anybody say? What is alcohol formula? Alcohol. Alcohol also we can call it as ethanol. What we should call?
Ethanol.
Ethanol. So
Ethanol.
formula is, learn, this is very important. C2H5OH.
C2H5OH.
The present C, H and O. Correct? Please respond. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Most of the things you know. Next, glucose formula. Glucose. Anybody? C6
C6H12O6.
C6H12O6.
H and O.
H and O.
That is next. Cane sugar. Anybody can say cane sugar formula? Cane sugar. So double of this one. Double of this one will be. So double of this one means what it will come? You can-
C12H24.
Yes, H22. That is the only thing. Small changes. H22 almost double of this. So C12 H22 O11, which is equals to cane sugar. So that is the cane sugar. Next, very important formula. Last formula called as urea. What is this? Urea. So remember this. So what is the one of the use of ammonia, guys? Ammonia we can use in manufacturing of urea. What is that? Ammonia we can use in the manufacturing of
Manufacturing
urea.
urea.
Remember.
Urea.
So now, which contains CO, NH2 twice. This is the formula. So elements present is CON and H. CON and H. This is the urea formula. Please kindly remember all of you. CON H. CONH twice. That is the ammonia formula, urea formula. CONH twice is the urea formula. Understand, Tarani? Arun Karthikeyan? Please call to option is Ra. Jesse, understand, Jesse? So these are the important formulas. Still here, any doubt you can ask me. Clear? Now, let me see. Yeah. So let us. One question I want to ask you. So the question for this class, now later I will go for the directly things. So the next concept. So can anybody say, what is the electron dot structure of H2S? Anybody please. What is the electron dot structure of H2S? Please draw. Electron dot structure. Electron dot structure of H2S. What do you mean by H2S, Ra? Anybody? What do you mean by H2S? Yeah, that is at least you can say, Ra.
Hydrogen sulfide.
Hydrogen sulfide.
Sulfide, and as well as fluorine. So let me see who will draw. Fluorine. These two you draw. Electron dot structure. Correct or not? Try your own. I will draw here, but you don't copy from me. Madhumita, understand? Jesse, Kartikeyan, Arya, call to others. Varshini Bensi. Now, so tell me, how many hydrogens is needed? Hydrogen sulfide. Formula itself, if you know formula, you can understand. So hydrogen sulfide, how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. So each hydrogen, what is the valency? Harini, each hydrogen valency 1. Correct or not? So plus, what is the sulfur valency? Sulfur valence electrons. Arvind, call to Nitinath and tell me. Which is how many? 7 electrons. How many, guys? 7 electrons. 1 sulfur atom. So which will give you, how it will come, Ra? So hydrogen. So here and here it is fixed. So totally how many hydrogens will come, Ra? 2 hydrogens will come. Correct or not? Please respond me. Yes? But here 6 only, Ra. Sorry, I done 7, but you are not saying.
6, sir.
Yes.
Correct.
Will come. 6 will come. So that is. So here sulfur. So here 1 hydrogen. Here 1 hydrogen. Correct, guys? Hydrogen disulfide. Yes, hydrogen sulfide. H. That is. So please all of you draw H2S. shared pair of electrons. That is. So here single bond or double bond, ra? Double bond or single bond? Single bond or double bond, I am asking. Hydrogen means always it will form which bond, ra? Single bond only. Understand, ra?
Double bond, sir.
Bond. That is. So now, next fluorine. Fluorine you can go F2. F2 fluorine. So how many? How many are involving? 2 fluorines. Understand, ra? So what is the fluorine valency? Anybody can say fluorine. Fluorine. I said you
one.
1. That is 1. So one more fluorine should read. One more fluorine needed. So you can combine like this. So this will combine together. They will give you 1 fluorine, fluorine. Middle what? How many pair of electrons, ra? 1 pair of electrons. So it will become fluorine FF. Is it okay, guys? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Draw. This is. Any doubt? Kindly ask me. Now, after this, what I am going to say. This is the most important, ra. So, if you are understanding, this is so many times they used to ask in exam. Akshaya, Akhil Arfan, everybody listen very carefully. That is what? A structure of electron dot structure of sulfur atom. So as we know, sulfur, what is the atomicity of sulfur, guys? I taught you already. What is the atomicity of sulfur? Please respond me.
16, sir.
Sulfur, atomicity of sulfur. Atomicity I am asking. So monoatomicity, diatomicity, polyatomicity, like that I said you. Do you remember? Nobody is answering. Okay.
8.
8. So 8 atoms will combine together always. Sulfur, 8 atoms will combine together always. They will never be alone like yes. So that is why you should remember the 8 atoms of sulfur are joined together to form a ring-like structure, or else basically they will be like a crown structure. What is the structure? Crown or ring structure. So both the structures, electron dot structure, so many times they used to ask you in the exam, what is the electron dot structure of S8? Means in a sense of like crown structure or ring structure. Now both I will draw. So please all of you do it. So the question is electron dot structure of molecule of a sulfur. What is that? Electron dot structure. Electron dot structure of molecule of sulfur. So molecule means what, ra? Sulfur atom means yes only. Sulfur molecule means what? Sulfur molecule means what, ra? Everybody please say S8. That is you should remember. So S8. So I am saying it is in the form of ring-like structure. What is that? Ring-like structure first. So electron dot ring-like structure. So please all of you keep the 8 S's in the form of ring. How you can keep, ra? In the form of ring you can keep. Okay. So it should come like a ring. That is you have to remember. How many over?
6, sir.
Now you check it. Is it looks like a ring? Others also. Elmati, Jesse, respond. Jesse, Tina, call to your friends. Option is how much time? That's it. All really lazy fellows. All. Tell me fastly. Harini, Jalni. So 8. So now they are combining together. So how many electrons each? So usually they are having 6 electrons, 6 outermost electrons. Correct or not, guys? But 8 sulfur atoms combined by sharing 2 electrons among themselves to form what? Sulfur molecule, S8. So how many electrons will come? Everywhere it will share 2 electrons. So how much it will come totally? 8 electrons. Is it yes or no? Please respond me. Yes, Ra?
Sir.
First you keep it 2-2. Later we will share it. Sharing we will keep it. First you keep it 2-2. Is it okay? 2-2 you keep it. I will take the red pen and I will keep. So that better you can understand now. More. So red pen. First one, how many ra? First one, 8 electrons. Clear? First one, 8 electrons over. Please respond me. Second one, 8 electrons over. Now third one. Any doubt means ask me kindly. Don't think this is electrons at this sulfur atom. You want, you can keep down also. So totally you should get that solve. So every sulfur atom is having 8 electrons. Is it yes or no? You verify. Is it yes?
Sir.
That is the structure of what? What is this? Structure of
molecule.
sulfur
Molecule of
all of you
sulfur molecule.
Sulfur molecule. Clear? Everybody draw that. Now, can you able to see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next. This is the okay general. Now, if you want to understand more easily, now what you people will do means, like what I said, two kinds of. One is in the form of ring structure. Another one is in the form of what? In the form of cone structure. Correct? Now, let us go with the cone structure. Later you can understand. So cone structure while you are drawing, all of you should remember, it should be like a crown. So you have to draw exactly the S, how I can say. One S. Now down you should come. One more S. What is this? One more S. Now you have to go up and you have to keep one more S. Mela 5 S's. You have to remember. How many? 5 S. Okay. Totally 5 S up and down. You have to keep exactly below than this 1 S. And here 1 S. And here 1 S. So now we have to combine this one. So how to combine? You have to take a different color. So each single bond indicate one. How many lines? One line or two lines? Single bond.
One line, sir.
One line. So that is one line you have to draw everywhere. This is the exact structure. All should draw. This is the exact structure. Okay, guys. So now every sulfur is finished with how many electrons? Anybody can guess? Every sulfur is finished with how many electrons? Guess at least there. If you see it, you can understand. Each sulfur is filled with how many electrons?
Sir, 4.
4 electrons. Can you able to see the difference? Please respond. Yes or no? 4
Yes, sir,
electrons.
4 electrons.
Correct? Now remaining 4 electrons we can fill. That's all. Dots. This is what called as sulfur structure. This is what electron dot structure of sulfur. So this electron dot only we have another name called as Lewis structure. What we should call it? Lewis structure. Understand? That is, I think you may be studied as a Lewis structure. Correct? So that is why I'm saying you. So listen very carefully and write it. So this is This is called as Lewis structure. I think every sulfur now 8 came. Any doubt? Please respond. This is what structure this is called as? Arun Karthikeyan, Tarani, Varshini. Lewis crown structure. This is the Lewis structure, electron dot structure of sulfur atom, the sulfur molecule. That is, you should remember. Okay. Any doubt? Anybody?
No, sir.
Draw. Slowly draw. Later only we'll go for properties. No issues. Okay, this is one structure and this is another structure. Now this one, sir, we are feeling difficulty. We are having some complication means you can draw like this also. So what I will draw, you can proceed. So you will get it. So how to draw means you have to take like a ring-like structure, almost 8 rounds you have to take it. 2, 3, 4, 5, this side, 6, 7, 8. You understand that? What is this? Anybody can say? What is this? Madhumita, I'm not understanding your question. Can you speak?
Sir, in last diagram you said after drawing that lines, we have 4 electrons.
Why there are 8 atoms are combined together? Because to become stable in nature. So they have 6 electrons in their valence cell. Understand, Madhumita? So by sharing each sulfur, by sharing one more electron, they are forming 8 electrons. You can check it. Each sulfur is sharing one more electron each other, so that they are becoming 8 electrons. That is the reason they are combined to become stable in nature. So now 4 plus 2, how much? 4 plus 2, how much? 6. 6 plus 2, 8. This is one sulfur. Now coming to this sulfur, 4 plus 2, how much? 6. 6 plus 2, how much? 8. Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Now go to this sulfur. 2 plus 2, how much? 4. Now 4. Here what? 2. Here 2. How many? 8. Came up.
Yes, sir.
That is okay. Now this is another. You can make it like this. So 8 sulfur. So middle what it will come? Everybody respond fastly. Sulfur. Yes or no? Sulfur, 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 and sulfur. Now you tell me, in the circle, how many electrons should come? Sharing electrons. How many?
One circle, 4 electrons, sir.
Yes, everywhere 2 electrons will come. So because it is single bond only every time. So now on the sulfur, how many should come? How many electrons should come on the sulfur? Anybody can say?
4 electrons.
How many? 4 electrons. This is the Lewis dot structure of sulfur. Here I missed it. That is also you should keep it. All of you do it. Here I missed it. And here also I missed it. So this is the structure. Any doubt means anybody can ask me. If it is clear only, I will proceed further. It should come like a ring graph. Okay. Understand, everybody? So meeting is going to end. Join fastly, and we'll get back to the properties. Everybody speed up and let them join your friends, call them and make it join. So okay. So this is all about these things. Any doubt in this? Kindly ask me. Are you clear, Madhumita? Jesse?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. All of you draw. Understand, Arvind?